Hey guys, welcome to the demo for SMS Bot. Let me go ahead and show you what it does, then I'll show you the back end of the software, okay? I got my phone in front of me. I'm gonna go ahead and open up my message. I'm gonna go ahead and text free. So texting free to this phone number, let's see what happens. Now, hey, it says, howdy, my name is Billy, okay? Let's see what it says now. Nice to meet you, Billy. What's the best email to reach? Oh, my email is this at whatever, just for demo purpose here. There you go, that's my email. Sweet. What, got it? I am a marketer. I live in Dallas. Wow, Dallas. My mother-in-law is from, well, that's pretty cool. My zip code is 75078. Wow, that's pretty awesome. So let me show you how the software works and what you can do with it. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So our software, it's called SMS BOT right here. Now let's go to the dashboard. I'm going to show you step by step where everything is. Okay, so the dashboard has your quick information on the the phone number you're capturing and how many bots you have. Now, what are bots? Now, bots are like your Facebook bots, but like 10 times better. This is a bot. You can add multiple bots here. So once I've added a bot right here, and I'll show you how to add the phone number and everything on the tutorial, but once you have your phone number here, you're going to go to edit. Now remember, I showed you that conversation by texting free at this phone number, right? Now, as you can see, I texted free, right? Now let's see that conversation right here. So this is it. So I can create multiple responses. I'm going to go and take a look at the free one that you just saw. So when somebody is going to text free, it's going to go ahead and ask these questions, and I can have a conversation on and on and on. So howdy, what's your name? I'm going to go and modify it. I can save that information as a name, email, age, gender, whatever I want. It's up to me. And I can go ahead and have a conversation here as well. I can also go ahead and use these tags as well. So when somebody does go ahead and message you later down the road, you can actually go ahead and use their name because you already have their information. Okay, that's that. On the top, we have enable notification. Now, that's if you want to use this SMS bot for a purpose. For example, let's say a real estate agent wants to know when somebody is going to text. Let me show you an example. So, home77, edit. Now, when somebody is going to text home77 to this phone number, this real estate agent wants to find out, right? We can go ahead and do that by enabling notification. I can add my phone number here one more time. I'm going to go ahead and save it. Now this time I'm going to make it a little different, okay? I'm going to go ahead and text home777 to that same phone number. Keep in mind I can have multiple phone number by having multiple bots as well. I texted home77. Now, see, I got this first text. So this text pretty much means the fact that someone did get that notification saying, hey, this phone number is requesting information about this home77, and this is what they would get. So picture and home information. So on this one I actually added a picture, and that's the reason you see the picture right here. So you can use this bot for pretty much every application you can think of. For example, capturing leads, having a conversation with your customer, providing help, and so on and on. Let me show you more because we're just getting into it right now. So let's go back here. I'm going to go back to bot and bot right here. Now, did you see this? Enable human touch. Pretty much if it's enabled, what's going to happen is this. So, you saw the conversation here happening back and forth very, very fast right now. Imagine, so, when that happens, people might be like, oh, is this a real bot? Is this a human being, a bot? If you go and enable human touch, what's going to happen is it's going to delay sending, like by a couple seconds, 3 seconds now, 4 seconds later, 2 seconds later. It depends on, it's just automatic and it's AI built in. So human touch right here for you, okay? So that's the bot. Now you're thinking, what if I want to have a conversation with this person, like interrupt a conversation? So what you can do is go here, messages. So you can see all the conversation happening between the bot and the person right here. So you can actually jump in while a conversation is taking place. So for example, okay, I'm going to go ahead and text free right here one more time, just for demo purpose. So I texted free, right? So the conversation is happening on the background here as well. And okay, I'm going to text Google. So if I want, I can go and say, hey Google, this is Satish. Can I call you? So you can actually have interrupt and have a conversation directly with that person from here, or you can see what the bot talked about by going back on the history here. You can also go and export this conversation. So hey, guess what? You can create data with it. So if they save their name, email, you can export it from here. You also have it all saved up right here for you as well. So that's the bot name. You can have multiple bots. That's the phone number. It's going to capture their name, email, whatever else you ask them to capture. So that's there for you here as well. Now, if you go here, you can go ahead and do a couple of things. You can import contacts. So for example, let's say you have a list of your customers. If you want to import it, you can do it from right here as well. Again, you can always export it out from here. Now you're thinking, hey, I don't have any leads. I don't have any, phone numbers. How do I get started? Now you have two options. Option number one is, on your site, on your flyer, you can go ahead and put this. So text free to this phone number. Okay, that's option number one. Option number two is go to widget. You can modify these things, color, all that good stuff. Choose your response and copy this code. And guess what? Example, this is a demo example here. Now this is a capture form that you can put on your website like that. Let's go and give it a try, okay? So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to go ahead and text add my phone number. And I have added home response here in my case. I'm going to go ahead and do free one, the one we were looking at, right? I'm going to go here. I'm going to click on start now. Keep in mind that I can always, you can modify this as well anytime. Not a biggie. You can modify all of this, even the color. So if I want to make it orange, I can go ahead and make it orange right here, just like that. See, simple and good. Now let's see what the conversation is happening. So there we go. There we go. Remember, it automatically started the conversation for you from that capture form. How cool is that? Okay, we're not done yet, guys. We still got a few things to show you. Now, let's go back here. That's the bot feature. Let's go to send message. Now, what is this? This is like, for example, so let's say you have a bot, and on bot, you have 6 people, 6 captures, right? 6 people who have actually texted in or captured from a capture form. Now, you want to go and send them a new, like a blast. You can do that right here. You can go ahead and do that. You can go ahead and create a new response, choose it. You can schedule it, hey, for a little downtime. You can do that here, like this. That's your option. And you can go and send out the message from here as well. You can schedule it or send it out right now. This is pretty much like mass SMS, but with a response where they will have a conversation with the bot. So yeah, that is SMS bot. Let me show you a quick recap. So dashboard has your quick information, everything that has been captured. Send message has your mass message. Bot has your, your bots. You can create multiple bots. You can go ahead and create your multiple responses. So that means you can have, multiple, you can use it for multiple purpose with one phone number, human touch. And we got the notification feature and all that here as well. Let's go back to contacts, has all your information all the time. You can import it from here, or you can export it here. You can add a contact manually here too if you want to. You got your track log of all messages. You can always overtake a message, always. And if you have something scheduled, you can go and see it right here as well. And of course, that's pretty much it. And there we go. And that was SMS bot for you.